It is so late right now. And I was supposed to film a long time ago. I was getting ready to film. Look, I did my hair real quick, you know what I'm saying? I'm a Coachella. You know what I mean? Let me give some Coachella. Got my Coachella vibes, right? As soon as I got done with my hair, the electricity went out. Oh my God. It is so late right now. I just wanted to be done with this a long time ago. It's midnight and it's midnight. This is nothing in your world. I know this is nothing in your world right now. I just thought I was gonna be done. Oh, and you guys, if I look tired, all right, give me back clear. All right, I'm gonna look a little bit sleepy during this because this was not expected. Okay, fun fact. I have had a YouTube channel since 2009. Was I doing anything on it? Not too much. But last year, first weekend Coachella was when I took everything seriously and I was like, look, let me just do something a little more consistent on my channel. So it feels really good to be filming today because this is kind of like a 1-year anniversary for me. I'll say it's a 1-year anniversary for my consistency. So that's really cool. I'm really excited and it's good to be rounding that, you know, making that whole loop again. And it's like, oh, we're doing Coachella again. Like I did this before, you know? Also, if you're watching and you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications button. You'll be the first to know as soon as I upload. And as for today's look, this is the look that I will be doing today. So if you want to see how I got this look, you know what to do. Keep on watching. I'm a fool for your love. All right, getting started. I only have chapstick on and I have put a little bit of Neutrogena on my face. This is the Hydra Boost water gel. It's really, really good. I love it. For the look that I'm gonna do today, I do want to do something very dramatic since it is, you know, for Coachella. I think Coachella is always a fun, you know, couple of weekends that everyone loves to kind of do colorful looks, bronzy looks, you know, and just keep it really fresh and glowy and good. You know, you're out in the desert. And so that's kind of what I'm going to be going for today. I'm going to start with my eyebrows and I'm going to use Anastasia. This is my Brow Wiz. I'm going to make them dramatic and I will probably be using the Dipbrow as well. Alright, I did my eyebrows super duper thick. And now I'm going to clean them up. To clean my eyebrows, I'm going to be going in with my MAC. This is my 24-hour Studio Fix concealer, which I really love. And this is in the color NC44. I'm trying a new color. Not a new foundation, but a new color. So I have the matte and poreless foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. And I wanted to try the Dewy and Smooth. So I want to see how this works. The matte poreless, I have 330. For the Dewy and Smooth, I have 232. So we'll see how this goes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Is that my color? Is this too light? Oh, it's a little bit light. Yeah, that's not the color. Alrighty, so if ever you run into an issue like that and you definitely have your wrong color, I will show you a little kind of a trick how to tamper it all back down. Okay, the Dewy and Smooth. The formula slips a little. I actually think the coverage is pretty good. You know, the coverage is not that bad. I do feel like it's slipping a little bit, but I'm pretty sure it's moving around because it wants to leave that dewy look and that, you know, just a really fresh, you know, and shiny look. So if your color happens to be really off, don't try to fix it. Just go get another color. But for what I have going on, this is not too far off. By the time you bronze down and you set it and you add in contour and just different things, this shade is not too far off from me that I can't kind of correct it. And this is one of those shades that might be better for me, like maybe in the winter. So I'm going to be using Cover FX. I definitely want to use Cover FX. This is in medium. And I also want to use Kylie Cosmetics. This is in dark. This is her loose setting powder. I definitely want to use this one. The first one I'm going to use is the Cover FX, and I want to just take a little bit of that and put that in all of my high points. Basically the places that I would conceal. I'm actually not going to put any concealer on. I kind of was thinking, you know, when you go to the desert, I'm not saying you cannot put concealer on. You most certainly can put concealer on. But I think I said this in my last video like a year ago. Like, I think about the desert and how hot it is. And so not only am I just going to show you guys a beauty look today, I kind of want to show you a beauty look that might last you a little longer and that you may not feel icky in. I'm lightly tapping into that Cover FX and I'm just going underneath my eyes. I'm gonna go pretty much in my T-zone area and just all of the high points. And now I'm just gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics and I'm gonna kind of do in the contour areas, I guess, because this one is dark. The good thing I will say is that this color wasn't too far off from my color, so it is really easy to bring it back down. You don't have to freak out. Makeup can be a process. Sometimes it does look crazy when you first put it on, but the finish is better. Next, I'm gonna bronze away my life with my MAC Skinfinish. Y'all already know this is my favorite. And you guys see that it's just a tiny bit. It's not too crazy. It's just gonna be 100 degrees. Like, who's trying to do 100 degrees and be caked, you know? Again, you can cake it up. You can cake it up all day, but I'm just wanting to give a little bit of alternative because there's some babes out there who don't want to palette on. I'm going into my eyes as I'm doing my nose because I feel like it just kind of gives me a little bit of where I want to go as well with my makeup when I kind of contour. We're good. We're good. Then I'm gonna add just a teeny bit of KKW. I'm gonna take this color right here. Just put it in the back. Don't go all the way down. Just put it in the back. Next, I'm going to take Kylie Cosmetics. This is the Sorta Sweet palette. If you guys did not cop this one, cop it. It is one of those goodies. It's like an everyday. You can dip into this one every single day. Seriously. I'm going to take my Sigma E40 and I'm going to dip into this color right here. That one is called Cocoa. And I'm going to warm up the crease even more. And I'm going to put this all over. Like, I'm not even going to try to be pretty with it. Like, I really want this to be dramatic. Then keeping with that same brush, I'm going to go into the darker color. And this color is called Spice Plum. I'm going to take Spice Plum and I'm just going to go a little bit closer down on the lower part of the crease and on the outside. And I'm just going to buff that in and just give it a little bit of depth. Alrighty, so now that we have that a little bit deeper and we're starting to really get the shape of the eyes, I want to go in on the lids. I'm going to use my MAC 213. I'm going to go in with this color right here. This one is called Berry Bite, and I'm going to put Berry Bite just on the center of my lid and on the bottom, and then just slowly work my way out. Switching to this because I do want to bring in just a little bit of accent. If you guys see my shirt, this is kind of like my inspiration for today. So there's a beautiful orange in here that I do want to use. I think I've used it, but I haven't used it that much. In this palette, this color right here is called 518. So I'm gonna use 518. I'm gonna use my MAC 213. I'm gonna stick with that. I'm gonna take that color, I'm gonna dip in there really good, and I'm just gonna put that in the outer corners of my eye. Then I'm going to take my 213 and I'm going to go into this color right here. That color is called B, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that in the middle. All right, and I'm just going to tap it in the middle barely, just to bring it in to just like a little bit of a blend, nothing too crazy. Okay, next I'm going to take my MAC 219 and I'm going to smudge a little bit underneath my eyes. The color closest to my shirt, I would say, is this one right here. Going into Playground, this beautiful turquoise color, I just love it. Matches the shirt perfectly. And I'm going to put that on the bottom and I'm going to just go all the way in. I love this little accent color. I think it's so good. And I'm gonna leave the eyes like this because this is supposed to be the simple weekend. All right, I'm gonna put on my lashes. I have some new goodies. So Lily Galici was going on and on about this product and I was like, you know what? I just wanna try it. She swears by it. So this is the Voluminous Carbon Black by Loreal. And so I'll be putting this on. This is the mascara that I'm gonna be using. New lash alert. I'm totally excited about this. I got a surprise shipment, but I was excited about this. I got a shipment in from Lash Makeup. Shout out to Lash Makeup. She sent me a bunch of them, but this one in particular I'm excited about. These are the Tiffany lashes, and I'm super excited about these because these lashes, these are perfect for like an event or day like what I'm doing today, like Coachella, because if you don't really want a super duper heavy lash, but you do want that glam, like this to me is like the sweet spot. So I'm gonna be using these. These are brand new, and also just something fun. You guys know I'm obsessed with rose gold. From Lily Lashes, I did get the rose gold lash applicator, and also I did go ahead and get this. This is the Lash. I guess this is just like a drying lash rack. You can just put your lashes there. So I thought this was interesting. I've lost lashes. I don't know if any of you guys, been doing your lashes. You're like, where to go? So I did buy a little lash rack. And so I'm gonna do my lashes and I'm gonna come back and we're almost done. Alrighty, lashes are all done. Y'all, these are life. These are like just enough. Just what we need for today. Alright, so another new product that I'm using today. I think that we all know Nikkie Tutorials, and she has her collaborations with Ofra. I have never bought anything from Ofra. Not one product. This is my first product. I actually got her Everglow. They had a really good sale and I just told myself, like, if I want to get it, like, now's the time. So first off, ooh, I like just that little thing. Oh, I got makeup on it right away. Ooh, this is gorgeous. So gorgeous. I'm gonna use my Morphe M501. There's a couple of colors in there. I'm gonna swirl in all of them. I'll try them separately at a different time. Alrighty, let me take this off of the mirror. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Oh my God. I mean, it's Nikkie tutorials. Well, what else would I expect, right? Yeah, so my first impressions is that this is fire. If you guys don't have a good something for Coachella this weekend, y'all need to get y'all lives hurry up by next weekend. My God. Okay. It's getting out of control at this point. Alright, I need to stop. Go get this if you have. I'm late to the party. It's me. I'm late to the party. So I'm here now. I'm gonna go in with Pumpkin Lip Kit from Kylie Cosmetics. Alrighty, those are the lips and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like the way this look came out. A great alternative, I think, if you're going to be doing the desert this weekend and it's like super hot out there, is just gloss. Notice I didn't put anything in my waterline. I just, you know, I'm thinking about all of the dust and everything like that. I don't really want, actually really want too much going on my eyes. Didn't put on concealer, didn't put anything in my waterline, but you are more than welcome to do these things. Just kind of wanted to give you guys just an alternative thing to do. So this is my look. I was inspired, like I said, by my shirt, my Coachella bag. This is what I would do. As always, you guys, I hope you are going to enjoy your weekend. If you're at Coachella, oh my God, have a blast. Stay cool, drink your water, hydrate. Whether you're watching it at home, whether you're actually there, enjoy Coachella and find your frequency and feel good. Sorta.